Hello, this is somewhat unbiased, and since I just did a car video, I might as well give you guys an update. I still don't have my police record or report to read you guys the juicy details, but this is my appraisal. As you can see here, the total of it, not I didn't think it would be this much for the cost for that fender and the wheels. I think it's just mostly just parts and labor, but the total comes out to about $1,000. That's a ridiculous amount of money for just that small damage. But like I said, I think most of it is just the labor cost and taxes. I think, what is it? Subtotal is $1,066.80. Parts is $93.75. Body and labor $237 based on a $44 rate. So it shouldn't take longer than a day to get my car back, but I'm still waiting for my check to come in the mail for $589.57, and then I gotta pay my deductible because the lady hit so many cars that the insurance are trying to figure out, maybe they don't have to pay for it, or I don't know what the heck they're doing, but maybe she reached her limits on how many cars she hit. I'm not sure. But as soon as I get my police report, I will be reading that juicy detail for you guys. Again, this is somewhat unbiased. I just wanted to give a little bit of an update about the Type R, and I'm just waiting for my check to come in. Probably go check the mail right now and see if my check is in, and once that's in, I'm going to be taking my car into the shop. Because I hate driving it the way like that. Yeah. Anyways, again, this is somewhat unbiased. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.